First, open Chrome or your browser and head to the GitHub link in the description. Download the repository as a zip file. Once downloaded, extract the zip and move the folder anywhere you'd like on your computer. Now, go to Chrome Extensions. Click Manage Extensions. Turn on Developer Mode in the top right corner. Then click Load Unpacked and select your extracted folder. Once loaded, head to Gemini and open the storybook you want to download. Click the extension icon in the top right corner of your browser. A small menu will appear. Just click Download PDF. The extension will automatically extract and format your storybook into a clean, ready-to-use PDF. This might take a few seconds. Once it's done, open your PDF, and that's it. Thanks for watching.